Okay guys, welcome back. Today on our 04 BMW 325 Xi, we are changing our corner marker light. We're filming in the dark because it's dark. Sorry. So if you look right here on your fender, there's a hole right here at the top. Takes a Phillips head screw. You just put it in and then you can just loosen. And this is one that doesn't come all the way up. I just loosened it. And then your marker light should just slide right on out. And we're going to do, let's see here, a little twist and pull. And you'll see how your marker light is, how it has this guy right here that slides in and just clamps down on there. We got that pulled out. And we've got to pull our bulb out, which is going to be just a little twist as well. We have the correct bolts. 7507. Apparently the ones I had, the little tabber guys here at the bottom, are just a little different. So I'm going to put those guys in. Let's put it in the correct way. And just a slight little turn. So that's that. That's in. See, I told you this was easy. Everything's easy when you have the right parts, huh? Let's get back in there. Get it clocked in now. So on the back side here, there's a pin right here, and then we got our slide up top. We want to make sure all of those line up how they're supposed to go. Just like that. Slides right in. And then we just tighten down our Phillips screw right here at the top. That is it. Our side marker light is replaced. One of the easier lights to replace. Now, if you don't have a screwdriver, check the toolbox in your trunk. You might have one there. Anyway, if you like what you saw here, please thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and we'll see you all next time.